Show us how you fly. Come on. Show us how you fly. Yay! Good girl. Oi, oi, oi. But you can fly. I'm Dee Hendrickx. Spelled C-K-X at the back. I rescued my first parrot when I was 14 years old. And since then I've had a great fascination for parrots. And I've seen a lot of parrots in terrible situations, stuck in houses. And I started realizing there's more to having a parrot stuck in a house, in a cage with nothing, just because he can talk and because he's clever. A bird looking like that, the abuse, the malnourishment, and the stress this bird must have gone through. How do you heal this? With a lot of love, a lot of patience. People don't understand what it's like to actually own a bird. They live up to the age of 40, 50, 60 years. They do bite, they do scream, they are extremely destructive, but that's what they're supposed to do. We've got over 200 birds in our sanctuary. 80% of the birds in our sanctuary are from abused, abandoned, neglected situations. The rest is birds that people have had to give up due to having to move, going into old age homes, or due to illnesses. There's so much more to owning a bird than just a bird sitting on a perch in a cage doing absolutely nothing. It's abuse. Oh, I love you. Who's the prettiest girl in the world? You are. Oh, yes.